Hi, welcome to another session in this series. We are going to be looking at a very important concept in Microsoft Excel. Is a tool, and the tool is called text to column. So, how do we use it? Look at this particular column here. The customer name, it contains the combination of title, first name, and last name. If we want to split all of this into three different columns based on this space that separates them, how can we go about that? We use text to column tool. How can we do that? You come to data tab. So you come to data, then you see this text to column. But before you do that, let's highlight our cell first. We highlight it, data, and then text to column. So now it has taken us to this wizard, and we have to choose, is it a delimited file or a fixed width? So for example, this is a delimited file or a delimited data. Why? Because there is a space in between these different entities of the data. So since it is delimited, we click on delimited. If it is fixed width, then it's a different case entirely. But usually when you want to use this concept, usually use it with delimited data. Then you go to next, and then you can see that we have different delimiter. You can use, if it is separated by tab, you can say, okay, it's tab. If it is semicolon, you can click on semicolon. But this one is separated by space. So we click on space. And then it says, treat consecutive delimiters as one. You don't need to click on this. Now, you can look down. If you look down, you can see that it has splitted this into three. And this is the way we want it to be split. You can see the first name, last name, and our title is here. So this is very good. Then we click on next, and you can see it's telling us how should it format it. So the first has been formatted as a general. So let me click on the second, general, the third. But this is a text data. I will go for text. So this is text. Then this one too, text. This one to text. You can just split the data, and then when you get to the columns, you can go and format again. So now we click on finish, and you can see our data has been splitted into three different columns. So you can say this is the first name, and then you can see this is the last name. So, and then this is title. So you can just come here and do something like this. So 16. So, and then that is all. So that is how we use the text to column tool in Microsoft Excel. Assuming our data is separated by a colon or a semicolon, we can use any of those delimiters. So this is this for now until we meet in the next one.